Hi! Today we are building an AI voice customer support agent. Let's see a demo of our app. Let's call our agent using a real number I bought from Twilio.
Thank you for calling Peel Danny. This is Danny, your customer support assistant. How may I help you today?
What should I do if I receive a defective product, please?
If you receive a defective product, please email a photo of the issue to Daniel Jora, iLearner@store.com. We'll send you a free replacement or issue a full refund. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
What are the shipping costs?
Standard delivery costs $5.99 for orders under $50. For orders over $50, shipping is free. Delivery typically takes 3 to 5 business days, and expedited options are available at checkout. Let me know if you'd like details on anything else.
That's all, thank you.
You're very welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Let's look at our frequently asked questions document. Here we have some questions regarding an e-commerce website. I added my personal email in order to check if the agent is correct or hallucinating. Go to vp.ai, go to Assistant, then Create Assistant. Add a name. I called my agent Danny. Choose the blank template and create the assistant. As provider, I am using OpenAI and the model GPT 4.1 Mini. For first message mode, choose Assistant Speaks First. First message: Thank you for calling Peel Danny. This is Danny, your customer support assistant. How may I help you today? For the system prompt, I added some personality and communication style for the agent. For example, sound friendly, organized, and solution-oriented. Be patient with confused or frustrated customers. Use phrases like, "Let me check that for you." "Just a moment while I look into your order." In the Files section, I added my frequently asked questions file. In voice configuration, I am using the voice Vapi provides. His name is Elliot. It's important to set a fallback voice in case the primary voice doesn't work or something happens to it. I am choosing DeepGram. Another important thing is to set fallback transcribers. If the first transcriber fails, another provider is enabled. I am also using DeepGram as a fallback. If you want to test your agent before going live, go to the top and click Chat. Let's choose a question. Can I change the delivery address after placing the order? And it's correct. Don't forget to save your configurations by clicking Publish. When you publish, you need to do one final thing. Add structured outputs to track call performance. I added appointment booked, appointment canceled, and call summary. Next, click Publish. Let's add our phone number. Go to the left panel and choose Phone Numbers. Go to Create Phone Number. I bought mine from Twilio. Go to Import Twilio. In Twilio, I am using a paid subscription because otherwise, when you call the phone number, the robot keeps saying that you are using a trial phone number and it doesn't work. Go to twilio.com, Phone Numbers, Manage, Active Numbers. Copy your phone number. Mine is for Romania. Now we need to provide authentication details for Vapi from Twilio. Go to Account Dashboard. Scroll down and copy the account SID and auth token into Vapi. One last thing to do in Twilio is to provide some official information about yourself. For example, a national ID card or something else that helps Twilio validate your account as a real human being and not a bot. Go to Phone Numbers, Regulatory Compliance, Bundles. I have already created one. I waited 2 days to get approved, and that's all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.